Genie, please grant me $1 million.
Here it is.
Let's use a tool called orange data mining to show you how a basic AI learns. We give it training data, pictures of animals labeled correctly for example. We feed it hundreds of these and it starts seeing patterns. A lion usually has a mane. A penguin doesn't fly. Now we test it. The AI gets a new picture and guesses. What animal is this? AI can only guess correctly if it's seen something similar before. If it hasn't, it might hallucinate. Here's how it works. Data goes in, it passes through multiple hidden layers. Each layer finds deeper patterns. Then out comes a prediction. It's like recognizing a friend, first by their shoes, then their walk, then their face. Now that was for image recognition. But language models like ChatGPT and Gemini, they're trained on text, billions of words from books, code, conversations, even this script. They learn to predict what comes next, just like how we finish each other's. AI doesn't know anything, just like humans. It recognizes patterns and makes educated guesses based on what it's seen before. Garbage in, garbage out. Feed it better data, you get smarter results.